And we have this excited dude here.
There's another one over there. Look one over there. Look one.
Oh yeah, that's the A380 from Dubai that we have been expecting. Oh, thanks for that. Yep, it is coming. That's almost 15 hours of journey time. Alright, so focus my attention back to the Boeing 737. For Qantas, I don't know where this is bound, possibly Sydney Kingsford International Airport. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here for the plane spotting for the Emirates A380. As you guys can see, we have some excited fans, you might say, waiting for the Emirates A380 to arrive from Dubai. But in the meantime, Singapore Airlines, I think this is the cargo edition for the Singapore Airlines Boeing 747 cargo. Yeah, I would not say if it's 747-400 or 747-200, depends on my memory. But yes, this is Singapore Airlines. So I believe they are pointing at this direction, saying that the Emirates is somewhere in the sky here, but I cannot see it. Anyways, but it is coming. They said that it was turning. Or we'll keep looking on in the skies until we see something. Yes, my focus back to the Boeing 747 full throttle. It's on full throttle now, and it will accelerate until it reaches the speed at which the wings can generate uplift. So that's what you call lower pressure at the top of the wings, and then high pressure at the bottom, and then generates lift. Can only be done by the use of aerofoil shape. So that's the only shape that can generate such lift. All right, so that's Singapore, all done and dusted. Boeing 747. I don't believe that that's a commercial jet, to be honest. That should be their cargo edition, because I suspect that they should be using the A350 1000 or A350 900. But anyways, we'll see. All right. Emirates is long overdue. Where is it? We can't find it. Oh well, we'll wait and see. Oh, one more thing, I forgot this guy here. Qantas 737, Boeing 737, possibly 800. And we have this excited dude here.
There's another one over there. Look one over there. Look one.
Oh yeah, that's the A380 from Dubai that we have been expecting. Oh, thanks for that. Yep, it is coming. That's almost 15 hours of journey time. Alright, so focus my attention back to the Boeing 737. For Qantas, I don't know where this is bound, possibly Sydney Kingsford International Airport. Full throttle. full throttle, and it should be on its way up. Shouldn't take it time to lift. So by the time this guy lifts off, yeah, that's it. Safe journey, Johnny Mercies. All right, we'll turn our attention to the Emirates. By the time it lifts off, Emirates would have been a much more closer plane to focus on. Alrighty. Alright, it is coming. Alright, it is coming. Let me zoom in because it is here. Alright, congratulations. Well done, well done. A380, 15 hours flight from Dubai to Auckland. Well done, well done, well done. Yep, thank God for Johnny Messes. Not the fun, or the most fun, or the funnest of flights. 15 hours, it's not easy. And then this is Boeing 787, I believe, for Air New Zealand. I don't know where this guy is going to. Oh, this is 787. Alright, so this should be the last one here for me to focus on. And yes, Emirates is actually getting a turn into the terminal. It is turning into the terminal, whichever gate it was assigned to. And all the faithfuls on here that came to view the Emirates, all the aircraft and airline enthusiasts. Yep, Emirates still turning in. So it needs to turn in to allow this guy here to be able to take off. Alright, I believe once it goes to the gate, it should be finding Qatar Airways and the rest of them close by, already parked. And yes, the last of them, 787 800 and New Zealand, the All Blacks design, on its way. Alright, so the guys are leaving. So possibly they have family members who actually are on board the Airbus A380 flight from Dubai to Auckland. Maybe some of them came from Paris, some of them from Italy to Dubai, Auckland. So all of them are going to pick up their family members. And yes, the last of them, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, is out. It's on its way to its destination. All right, with that, a very big thank you to each and every single one of you. That concludes it for today's plane spotting of Emirates Airbus A380, and you have some cows on here. You have some cows on here. I don't know why they are here, but you got them on here. So those who have actually gone, they've actually gone to pick up family members. Those who are family members on board A380, they've gone, and me myself just having a look around. To be honest, nothing spectacular going on today. Not doing anything interesting. So yeah, so let me have a look around and see what's going on here. Nothing much. Anyways, I will end it, and all I can say is a very big thank you to each and every single one of you, and I'll see you guys next time.